let's try. So, I'm driving my friend's Polo 8 GTI, brand new. This is my friend. Say hi.
Sup? We're about to take him up.
And you say we should try and smash him at a slow speed.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Let's see what
Okay.
let's see what he does. Yeah.
Alright, slowly. It doesn't help. What happened?
Maybe it's dirty. I don't know. Try again.
I'll try again.
Let's put it. I don't know.
Wait,
Sometimes it
traction
has its
controls
day.
off.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now
it's
it's
on
on.
now.
You have to do it faster.
It
Okay,
doesn't work.
it doesn't work.
It's a dud.
It's fine. Thank you. We tried. We sacrificed ourselves.
Okay, try again.
Oh, try again, right? Okay. They go fast or slow?
Just let it roll.
Oh, there it is.
Oh shit!
Never mind.
You have to be moving or something.
Maybe it doesn't like you. Alright, so it doesn't
Maybe
really
it
work.
knows I want to get it.
You're right. Alright.
Maybe if you drive and I try running.
No.
So I actually shot myself the one day
Uh-huh.
because we were in traffic and there was a biker just like really close to me,
Uh-huh.
and this thing slammed on the brakes and he was almost in my boot.
Oh.
Oh. Put it off though.
I don't know how. Sometimes that's the scary thing. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Does it work backwards?
Let's try.
Yeah, it actually does, because the first time I actually found out about it was
Going to the
when
back of the car.
when I almost took out a pedestrian.
It's okay, we'll see. Are you ready?
It's dirty though. Okay,
Are you ready?
yeah, come.
It's not working. It's not working. Alright, never mind. It doesn't work. Oh goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. He's flipping mad in his head. He's mad in his head. He's mad. Oh my good god. Oh goodness. Oh, 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 oh my god. Oh my god. He's mad. He's mad.